Okay, I won't take much. I've been talking all day here. Since this is according to the agenda, the perspectives. I'm just going to talk about like what's NVIDIA doing with containers, and I'm basically is one slide, and it's everything. So NVIDIA right now is like everything you are seeing right now with like OpenAI that is being powered by NVIDIA as a backend is being trained and served via containers, via Kubernetes. Anything AI, deep learning, inference that you see NVIDIA demoing around. 2 days ago, Google I/O, I think is the conference, Google I/O. All the demos were running on NVIDIA infrastructure, and all of that is running in containers, in Kubernetes, and also like video encoding, molecular and physical simulations. For those that are NVIDIA users using NeMo, using NVIDIA NIMS, all of that is actually running on backends at NVIDIA. So NVIDIA will run in multiple Kubernetes clusters. So right now, NVIDIA is basically a Kubernetes shop. So we have multiple teams running multiple Kubernetes clusters for multiple use cases, multiple customers. So we are becoming a Kubernetes company pretty much. It's still complex. We still have internal fights because different teams run Kubernetes in a different way. So like my team runs Kubernetes different from the team next door, but we are pushing to get Kubernetes to be a first-class citizen. And my team especially is a team that builds all the core components for the entire company and external customers, right? So the perspective of NVIDIA and containers is that we are going all in, and not just in containers, in Kubernetes, right? We are still serving some customers that want to run things in a Slurm, and for that we have things like enroute, that is like yet another container runtime, but we are still serving it with containers, right? So it's like the entire history of NVIDIA right now is about containers and how to serve customers easier. We have the NGC container registry where we basically ship industry standard container images for many use cases, from bioinformatics to physicists to AI. So everything is containers right now at NVIDIA. And the core component of everything is the NVIDIA GPU operator, right? So this is the one that I care about. This is my baby. But we also have something that is called the NVIDIA network operator, that does the same infrastructure enablement for GPUs, but for NVIDIA like what used to be called Mellanox. So it could be like the Mellanox network operator, but it's now the NVIDIA network operator. So fun story, when I was at Red Hat, I was working with the Mellanox team, building the network operator. Mellanox got acquired, and then it was just like renaming it, and it's basically the same product, but I was part of the init of that operator. And basically how it works is everything that I have been talking today, like CDI, DRA, container runtimes, we enable each step of like each layer of the stack all the way up to Kubernetes. So my team and NVIDIA is contributing from the OCI spec, as I demonstrated today with CDI. NVIDIA is contributing to the CDI. That's like before the container runtime, all the way to the Kubernetes scheduler. We are contributing to enable all the AI use cases, HPC use cases. And basically the perspective of NVIDIA and containers is that we are going all in, and we are investing and contributing in all of the layers of the stack. So from the container runtime all the way up to Kubernetes. And yeah, this is a more technical explication, but I know we're like running out of time, and I've been talking all day. So I just wanted to show that NVIDIA is going all in containers, and everything we do is based on Kubernetes.